Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ray. I create videos about travel, finance, and productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe! On this video, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-update ng Globe plan online. No need to go to the branch or call customer service. Ang ide-demo ko sa inyo ngayon is how to downgrade a plan. Itong current plan is $799 and gusto kong i-downgrade to $599 only. First things first, download and install the GlobeOne App. Then, register and log in. Once you're in the app, you'll see an overview of your plan. If you have multiple plans, pwedeng iselect which plan you want to update by swiping here. On this case, let's stick to this plan. So, click Renew Plan, accept the privacy policy, renew my current plan, select kung plan only or plan with device. On this case, dito lang tayo sa plan only. Select the plan, so $599, enter your mobile number and verify using OTP. And there you go. Makikita nyo dito na ang current plan is $799. And selected plan is $599. Pick a contract period if you want free data monthly. For example, 24 months. Hindi kayo pwedeng mag-delete, upgrade, or downgrade your plan within that period. If not, select No Lockup. Then select if you want to add a device or not. If you choose Add Device, pipiliin nyo dito what device you want to get and kung magkano ang ika-cash out nyo. Since I don't need one, let's select I don't want a device. Click Next. Update your email if needed. Double check the details. So, tama naman, $599. Accept the terms and conditions and click Pay. So, ayan, we've successfully applied for the renewal and update of our plan. Makakatanggap din kayo ng email confirmation. If you go back, you'll see $799 pa yung plan. Let's just wait for it to reflect. Now, after 3 days, chinek ko yung status and naka $599 na. So, it's as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!